Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix download failed error on itch.io. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for run on your search bar just like that. And once you've done that, just write exclamation app data exclamation. And once you've done that, you need to look for itch right over here and just delete the folder when you go ahead and find it. Now the second thing you need to do is simply go ahead and try to uninstall and reinstall itch. If it still doesn't work, then all you need to do is simply go to open file location, and I'm going to go ahead and open file location one more time. And as you can see, there is going to be the itch setup. You can simply just try to reinstall through here. Now another thing that you need to do in order for you to go ahead and fix the download failed is right click on the internet and network settings and go to Ethernet and go to your DNS server assignment, click on edit and simply go ahead and change all these. So this is gonna look like that on your screen. Change it to manual, turn on IPv4, put the preferred DNS as 8.8.8.8 and put your alternate DNS as 8.8.4.4. And the final step is going to be opening command prompt as an administrator. Simply click on yes, write net sh space winsock space reset and click enter, and now just restart your PC and it should be working. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.